Welcome back users. As we saw in the previous video, we did the various pre-built header changes, footer changes, typography, styling in various sections and much more. If you haven't checked out those videos, do check them. However, in this video, we are going to edit the custom header through Elementor. Also, we are going to show some various utility pages and some idea regarding the WooCommerce too. So without wasting any time, let's just get in. We go in the dashboard settings, we go in layouts and we click all layouts. In all layouts, we add new, we give the name that we want, let's just say custom header, and edit with Elementor. As you can see, this is a complete blank Elementor. Now we will select a section and edit it for the header. I just do the basic things, giving the paddings, we give an inner section, in the columns too. It's a complete blank Elementor. We select a section, we do the HTML tags, we do the padding 0, and we add an inner section to it. After adding inner section, we do the columns padding also 0 and the widget space to 20. We duplicate it and you can see the 3 sections in it, or the columns in the section. So now we go to the logo that we want. Select the logo in the media library, select whatever the logo we want. So we have the logo over here. We can set the height, width, and you can just customize it, align it center or whatever the needs here. Or we have various styles for it. We'll select different style as we want. And for the last column, we have the search. Select it and you can just change the icon of the search. If you want the text in it, you can edit that too. We'll just keep the spacing, size of the icon, etc. from this. And eventually we'll publish it and see the preview. So you can see the logo, the navigation menu and the search that we created. It looks stunning. We did the custom editing of the header and now we will just go to the utility page. Let's just take the 404 page. Here we go in the softbox, we click on the 404, we select the image that we want to be appeared when there is a wrong URL or something else, which will show that page, which is the 404 not found. We'll select an image from the media library and then we just save changes. Before that, we'll just keep the title. Let's just change it to home. Just save changes and we open the website. Just put in a random URL after the site's name. You will be seeing the new image that we uploaded and some various text changes too. So that's our image and that's the text that we edited. So we changed one of the utility page, which is the 404, and I'll just give you some overview regarding the WooCommerce in the softbox. For the WooCommerce in the page, we have the shop details, cart, checkout, wish list and much more. So let's just go to the shop. You can just edit them. This is the shopping page. There is a various list of products. You can just add to the wish list and that product will be added directly to the wish list. As you can observe, the wish list page and the sale has been overlapped. You can just change it. I'm just showing you the various pages in the shop and the WooCommerce you can edit. These are various products. You can see the descriptions, review, comments, etc. These are the related products as well. You can even go to the products that you liked, which are in the my wish list section. You can see if the product is out of stock or in stock, or you can just add to cart. In Softbox, we also have pre-built WooCommerce pages. So I think I have covered pretty much everything that you need to know about Softbox. Now I'm sure that you have complete knowledge about the theme in and out. If you have bought Softbox already, do check out the previous videos as well and take the advantage of this amazing product. At the end, if you are planning to buy any theme, why not Softbox, where you will get the customer support. You will also find the bug-free theme and the theme that matches your requirement. And it also has more than 1,000 active users right now. So as soon as this video gets over, make sure you go to the Iqonic design website and get your theme right now. So let's just wrap it up this video by liking the video, subscribing and hitting the bell icon. And I'm sure I'll see you in the next one.